How to make your list private on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your list private on Twitter easy and fast. So first thing, go to Twitter and go to the top corner, click on your profile now here, and then go down and choose settings and privacy, or you can click on lists just from here. Now go down and click on your lists here and click edit list, and now you will find the private option here. Turn it on and your list will be private, and don't forget to click save here and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.